Hi, in this video we learn more about JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and JDK, Java Development Kit. So, before starting any Java applications and doing the programming, you have to understand all three terminology. This is nothing but JVM, JRE and JDK. So let's start one by one. We'll discuss more about JVM, Java Virtual Machine. What is this and what is the purpose of that? What is a vital role in Java programming? So Java Virtual Machine is a abstract mechanism machine which is nothing but a specifications, and it provides a runtime environment which Java bytecode can be executed. So again there is one question: what is the Java bytecode? So once we write any program, like I have already created one Java project and written one small Java applications which is just have one class, one constructor and one main method, whereas I'm just printing that JVM, JRE and JDK www.tutorialbyexample.com. If I'll run this, we'll get the some output. But before getting the output, we have a compiler, Java compiler. Now we are getting some error. So before I just want to compile now. So if I'll remove this error and I save it, so with help of this one I'll check that location of this file. It's there in C workspace, something tutorial by example Java. So we'll go in that location. I will see the one class file will be created. We are there in source file, com tutorial Java applications, whereas binary is there in com Java. This is nothing but a class, that Java file converted in class file, and it's generated in bytecode. I have a editor, text editor, where I can see that some of the code, and it's converting from bytecode to textual informations, but not exactly what I have in my source code. So in a small, this is nothing but a bytecode. Just understand that will be there in 0-1 format. So JVM is Java Virtual Machine and have the only specifications, and it provides the runtime environment. Now one more point before going ahead. We have JVM, JRE and JDK. All are platform dependent. Reason why in platform independent, that means we have a Windows platform, we have Unix platform, we have Solid, we have XYZ, any other operating system. So each and every operating system, they have their one JVM, JRE and JDK settings. Might be internally there is a respective configurations and their jar is remaining same internal, but on that we have to do that in platform specific. And due to that, while downloading the JVM, we are choosing which OS and which version of a OS you or 32-bit, 64-bit or XYZ you are going to use. I'm just using Windows 2007 and I have downloaded already JDK 107. And if you'll see that this is nothing but a JDK. So JDK is a container which once I have that a Java development kit in bin directory, and JRE nothing but a executable. So in executable only will find that only runtime environment and whatever is respective and their respective library file. Now so for JVM, what we can do, we can load the code. How we will load the code? With help of doing the configurations, and there is a way to loading the code. Verify the code whatever we have written, it's correct or not. For example, if I see that there is some verifications, compilations is happening, and at the time it's saying that some error message. What is that? This is nothing but verifications of a code and saying that a error message. And execute code, how will be execute? How just we have run it, right click, run as, and Java applications, we are getting some output. That means we are running the application. Provide runtime environment. With help of this, we have the runtime environment, like we have a Java C. So with help of that, we are able to run that Java applications. So this is all about, in brief, Java virtual machine. We'll see that JRE. What is that JRE? So JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment. It is used to provide the runtime environment, and it's implementations of a Java virtual machine. What is that? The Java virtual machine is a specifications, that is a abstract, which ones have that only declarations. I'll say that in top level, but Java runtime environment have that implementations, and it's physically exist. Java virtual machine, there is no physical existence. We cannot find that where is that. So but in anywhere in program and all, they have written how to compiler, and like a Java compiler they have written that, and in physically that's like a programmatically, whereas Java runtime environment is a physical. And we can see that there is a JRE, which is nothing but some executable command is there, Java command will be there, Java W command will be there, and more and less Java will be there. So this is nothing but with help of that we can execute, and there is other supporting DLL and all file is there, and their library is there. So this is it will be physically exist. It contains a set of a library plus other files. So set of a library is nothing but JRE have a library like security management, image dependency, applet xyz, alt rt, deployment. If you see that all are these are the library rt, jfs, and more we can see that over here. These are the nothing but a library, minimum library in JDK 1.7 we have for required for compiling that Java applications. We'll see if I'll remove this one what will be happen. So I'll just go in build path. I just right click and build path, configure build path. I'll select this and remove. After that I apply it. So that JRE is required for compiling that and finding, because this is unable to find that where I can choose that a system out println, name of the Java class, name of the package, a string. These are the things we are unable to find at the runtime. So that means that JRE, whatever earlier it was there, have some library where we are just referring this class and all. So again I'll edit and we'll see from where it is referring. Again I'll go and build path, library, add library, JRE system library, and I'll let it be as it is by default. After applying this, say error removed, right? So that means now we are able to see that now we are able to see the system. That means somewhere some library we have that a system code, and from where that is referring. So that is nothing but Java runtime environment, which have that like a for compilation purpose or runtime purpose. Okay, now we'll see that in graphical how JVM and JRE will work. So if I'll say that one box, we have a one box where JVM is a one of, we can say that one of the part, or inside one of that area will be there, whereas we have a set of a library and another set of library, we can say that a custom library. So this is nothing but a JVM. The set of a jar like what we have, resource, RT, JCA and all. These are the jars we have in JDK 107. So I'll put that RT.jar only. RT.jar and others jar. This is app specific jar, we can say that. So this is nothing but we can consider that this is all together, this is the JRE. So Java Virtual Machine is one of that engine, we can say that, which is useful and have the specification and used for doing the compilations with help of other library and application. I'll highlight it. Brush, I'll take it little bit. I'll choose that color red. JRE. Okay, now we understand JVM, we understand JRE. So JRE have one virtual JVM. RT.jar and app related jar, and now we'll see in third, what is that? JDK. So in JDK we have all together, if I'll say that one big box, larger box, which ones I have a JRE, which I have that okay, let it be blue. So now, and this box I can say that a JDK. So in JDK now we have a JRE, in JRE we have a JVM, but in JDK we have some other things as well. Example, we have a development tools like Java C, Java etc. We'll see in where we have. If you'll see in bin directory, all these are the development. This is XJC, WS import, WSGen for web services, split.java, that's an internal policy.tool is there, packager is there, key tool is there with generating the keys. And Java C, Java doc, and all these are the additionals library, and tools.jar is tools is there. So in JDK we can say that definitions wise, JDK is a Java development kit, and it's physically exists because we have a something jar and all, and it contains JRE plus development tools. So isn't it so simple? In we can say that virtual machine is nothing but a specifications, whereas the JRE we have some additional jars and library with app jar and library. Like we can say that this is system defined, we can say that this is the custom or user defined, whereas JDK is combinations of JRE plus other development tools. So other development tools we are referring over here. I'll take that other development tools like Java C, Java H, Java P. So this is nothing but Java development kit, Java virtual machine, and Java runtime environment. By applications wise, we already explained how it's converting from binary code, how we are doing. So for after these ones, it's referring from bin directory, I'll say that. So after generating the class file, it's already there in a bin, you will say. So if you'll go right click property, resource java build. Okay, java build path itself in source. There is a output directory is nothing but in bin directory. So we are just defining the path from where our in this file will be referred. If I put the somewhere else, it will be like it will not refer and will get that error. So this is all about JDK, JVM and JRE. Hoping you have enjoyed while watching my video. Please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe.